You've landed the role. You've got the title. But you've realized that writing user stories and triaging tickets isn't going to get you to that $150,000 lead role or the freedom of independent consulting. You're at the plateau. Most analysts stop here because they keep doing tasks instead of delivering strategy. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, you can check it out after watching this video. Get ready, stay until the end of this video, where I'll reveal the secret of winning the dynamic role game. The power of specialization, that's your niche, and your value. How can a generalist BA become sought after? To reach the top earners, you must carve out a niche. These are the 5 functional specializations that define high-level BAs. The systems analyst. You're the technical translator, designing integrations and detailing specs with UML. Choose this if you love APIs, architecture, and ensuring systems speak to each other flawlessly. The process analyst. You're the efficiency surgeon, mapping workflows with BP-Men and applying Lean Six Sigma. Ideal for meticulous optimizers who can eliminate waste and streamline operations. The data/BI analyst. You're the insight miner, using SQL and Tableau to turn raw data into strategic dashboards. For the numbers-driven mind, who can uncover hidden opportunities and risks. The product/agile BA. You're the backlog conductor, writing user stories and prioritizing sprints in Jira. Perfect for fast-paced, collaborative tech environments where you drive product evolution. The strategic BA. You're the executive advisor, aligning projects with high-level goals and market strategy. This is the senior path for big-picture thinkers who influence the direction of the entire business. The Path Lab Insight. Your specialization is often already hidden in the work that energizes you. Look at your last 3 projects. Did you gravitate toward the diagrams, the data, or the dialogue? Start broad, then double down on that passion. Mastery in one of these lanes can command a 20 to 30% salary premium. How do you specialize as a BA, from executing tasks to influence? Specializing isn't just about doing different tasks, it's about changing your role in the room. Here's how you evolve from executing to leading, that is, from being told what to do to telling others what to do. Phase 1. Prove your niche, in 1 to 3 years. Master your chosen lane. But don't just be good at it, become the unquestionable expert. Document everything. Turn your project wins into case studies, blog posts, or short LinkedIn videos. You're building your proof of work. Phase 2. Scale your influence. Within 3 to 5 years. The amplifier. Shift from doing to teaching and shaping. Your goal is to share your expertise and build your reputation by speaking and presenting at internal brown bags, local meetups, or industry webinars on your specialty. By consulting internally, offer to audit a struggling team's backlog or data processes. Solve problems even for other departments and share your wins. By writing authority content, publish a template, a framework, or a deep analysis of industry trends. Position yourself as a thought leader. Phase 3. Monetize your expertise year 5+. Your name now carries weight. Now, productize your knowledge and shift from selling time to selling solutions. Offer advisory services, agile coaching, product roadmap audits, or market entry analysis for startups. Lead strategic workshops. Facilitate high-impact sessions on process optimization or data strategy for other departments or external clients. Build a portfolio of outcomes. You're no longer hired for tasks, but for business results, like reduce time to market by 30% or increase data adoption across 5 teams. You are now a strategic partner, not just a BA. Stages of achievement in the BA role. Impact over years. Your BA career isn't about years, it's about the impact you can prove. Here's the real progression, mapped by deliverables, not just static job titles. Level 1, the feature specialist, 0 to 2 years. You start by triaging tickets, writing basic user stories, and supporting a single feature. Your win is shipping your first end-to-end minimum viable product, MVP. You prove you can deliver a small piece of the puzzle. Level 2, the squad owner, 2 to 5 years. You start leading backlog grooming and owning a product module, like payments or search. Your wins may look like driving a release that cuts costs by 20% or boosts a key metric. You're now measured by business impact, not just tasks. Level 3, the strategic architect. 5+ years. You're now influencing product roadmaps, defining strategic initiatives, and mentoring junior BAs. Your win can be defined by launching a new product line or optimizing a core business process that generates millions in revenue. You're shaping the future of the business. The biggest risks and challenges in the BA role. This is the uncomfortable truths. Every high-paying career comes with its unique set of challenges. The BA role is no exception. Ignore these at your peril. First challenge. The AI shadow. Is it a threat or a tool? AI is coming for the repetitive tasks. If your job is just writing BRDs or mapping simple processes, AI will do it faster and cheaper. The challenge: evolve your role to focus on the ambiguity, the negotiation, and the strategic problem-solving that AI cannot replicate. AI won't negotiate with a stubborn CEO, you will. Second challenge: market saturation. The entry-level market is flooded with bootcamp graduates holding identical certificates. The risk: becoming a commodity. The solution: specialize, build a unique portfolio of impact, and develop those indispensable soft skills that AI can't fake. Don't be just another BA. Be the BA for a specific problem. Thirdly, burnouts. The BA role is intellectually and emotionally demanding. You're constantly mediating, translating, and problem-solving under pressure. The risk: burnout. The challenge: setting boundaries, mastering prioritization, and developing resilience. This job requires intense focus, but also the wisdom to step back. Gaps and future of BA, where the industry is heading. The BA role isn't static. It's evolving rapidly. Understanding these shifts isn't optional, it's essential for your long-term career survival and growth. To survive, you must see the rise of the product-led BA. The lines between product manager and business analyst are blurring. Future BAs will be more involved in product strategy, user research, and outcome ownership, not just requirements gathering. The data-driven everything. Expect to be even more reliant on data. The future BA will not just interpret data but actively leverage advanced analytics, machine learning insights, and predictive modeling to inform business decisions. If you're not comfortable with data, you'll be left behind. Ethical AI and responsible innovation. As AI becomes more prevalent, the BA's role in ensuring ethical design, bias mitigation, and responsible implementation will be critical. You'll be the conscience of the project, ensuring technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Let's look at top BA mentors to follow. To navigate this complex landscape, you need guides. These are the architects of modern business analysis, offering timeless wisdom and cutting-edge insights. Laura Brandenburg, bridging the gap, known for practical, actionable advice on becoming a BA. Her work focuses on real-world application and skill development. Carl Wiegers, software requirements expert, a foundational voice in requirements engineering. His books are a must-read for anyone serious about the craft of elicitation and documentation. Adrian Reed, strategic business analysis, focuses on the strategic impact of BAs, helping them move beyond tactical tasks to influence business direction. The IBA, International Institute of Business Analysis. While not an individual, their BABAC guide and certifications, ECBA, CCBA, CBAP, define the global standards for the profession. Follow their publications and thought leadership. The Path Lab advice: don't just follow them. Engage with their content, read their books, and apply their frameworks. These are your guiding stars in a constantly evolving field. So, will the business analyst role crush you? Only if you let it. Only if you approach it with a task list mentality instead of a problem solver's mindset. Only if you ignore the human element and the strategic demands. Your next step is clear. Start building a portfolio of impact, not just activities. Specialize. And most importantly, commit to continuous learning and adaptation. Don't just analyze. Lead. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe to join the career blueprinters at Path Lab. Tell us in the comments, which career should we dissect next? We provide the 360-degree blueprints you need to dominate your path. I'll see you in the next role breakdown.